So here we're standing in Ironwood Grove, which you wouldn't imagine would be where it is, but it is, because somebody planted it here, and there's a bit of history there too. So all ironwoods back there, all those long needles, it's all what the Tahitians call aito, and everybody else calls ironwood. And all the needles you see on the ground is basically these long ironwood needles. And so if we sweep around this way, we get the ocean, very close by, and some tea leaf for good luck, because a very important person was actually murdered here, but that's a different story. And we also have bathrooms for reference. And the road is a little bit hopscotchy coming in, but it's a very short access. And it seems like the tree roots are basically cutting into the road. So, but we made it fine in that thing, so it's fine for everyone else, including a Mustang.
What do you think?
So here's the Aito Grove, and this is the reason we came. Besides the Aito, I mean, besides the ironwood, this is the reason we came. Here's a nice one coming in. When the bell rings, dinner's ready. We're standing here, not too far from the edge. Edge is breaking off, trees hanging on with, you know, barely. And here, look. And basically it's taken right on up. And a year from now we probably won't be standing where we're standing now.
The ground shakes here.
Look.
The ground shakes here.
Yeah, it's shaking.
Okay. Stay back.
Basically cut its way in all the way around here, so you don't want to stand on the very edge. We're probably far enough out, but Mother Nature at work making beaches.